Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Sam's Hair System and Grooming Tips channel. Today I'm going to be talking about going to the gym while wearing a hair system. This is a bit of a worry for a lot of people, so well, as not just talk about it, I want to demonstrate it as well. So that way you know how I exercise, there isn't really any issue. Today I'll be doing weights and cardio, so I will be getting sweaty. I'm at the sort of final point where I actually need to do maintenance. So today I need to take this off, clean everything and reapply it again. This can take anywhere usually from about half an hour to an hour for me, but I think it's the perfect time to demonstrate. You know, if you're even at that final point, there isn't too much to worry about. I even have a slight lift going on at the front. So, you know, this is the before and I'll show you the after soon. Otherwise, enjoy the video. I'll show you some exercises. I'll get a bit of a sweaty mess and then we'll come back and have a further chat. Get my sweat on. Getting a bit more sweaty now. And there you have it. Full exercise with weights, cardio. I am sweating like anything. No lifts at all. I can still play with my hair, pull it, nothing's coming off, nothing's moving. And this needs to be changed today. So even at that final point when it needs to be changed, you can still do everything. I would say there's probably only one sport that I probably wouldn't risk doing this in on the final day when the maintenance is needed, probably parachuting. But otherwise, anything prior to today, 100% would be fine. Maybe a later video, I'll prove it. But anyway, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and another video will be coming soon. Thank you.